or are the words that we use daily. They're essential in every language. Even in computer programming language, and or word plays essential role in joining two or more conditions. Hello everyone. In this Python session, we will learn how to use logical operators to connect two or more conditions. In the last session, we have studied this example to check the candidate eligibility based on the age and score in the exam. Here, we have joined both the condition using AND operator. It means both should give true result, then only candidates will be eligible. After few interviews, the company realized that all the applicants are above 18 and many have less than 60% score, but they are the right candidate. So, company changes the requirement. Now the criteria is you will get the job if you have more than 60% score or 2 years of experience. Here look at the conditions. They have mentioned the term or. It means the candidate will get the job even if one of the requirement is satisfied. In such scenarios, we use OR logical operators in Python. Let's write the code to get a clear understanding. First accept the name, then the input score and the years of experience. Make sure you convert them using type converter, int and float like this. Then we will write the statement if and then condition, that is score greater than equal to 60. And now we will use the logical operator OR like this, and then write the second condition. Our second condition is years of experience greater than equal to 2 like this. In the next line, we will give an indent and a message that you are eligible for the job. Then we will write the else followed by a colon and then the message you are not eligible in the next line. Let's run the code. Enter the score as 55 and experience as 3 years. Well, the candidate is eligible. Listen, the candidate has less percentage. Still he is eligible because he had a higher experience. Because OR operators give the true result even if one of the condition is true. Let's rerun the program and now enter the value 55 and experience as 1 year. Now the computer went to the else part and displayed the message you are not eligible. When we use OR logical operator, the condition will become false when both the conditions are false. Let's solve one more example so that we have a clear understanding of logical operator. A student has appeared for 3 subjects. Each is of 50 marks. The passing criteria is student must score at least 15 marks in each test. Otherwise, student will be considered as fail. Let's write the program. Here, we will accept the marks score in 3 subjects in variable T1, T2 and T3 like this. Make sure you are converting them to int using a type converter like this. Now, we will write the if statement. And then we will check T1 greater than equal to 15. Then use AND logical operator. Then second and third conditions like this. Here we have used AND logical operator because the criteria is to score more than 50 marks in every subject. In the next line, give an indent and display the message. In the else part, write the message that you are failed. Let's run the code and enter the values 35, 40 and 10. Here you got the result as failed because the student is considered as failed even if he secure less than 15 marks even in one subject. I hope you got some understanding of the logical operators. Before we end this session, I want to tell you one important thing. You know, we can write the same program using the OR logical operator. Any guesses how? Well, just change the language. While writing this program, we said the student should secure 15 marks in each subject to pass the exam. Now I will change the wording. Now I will say if a student score less than 15 marks in any subject, he is failed. Let's modify the program according to these words. Write an if statement and then the condition if T1 less than 15 or T2 less than 15 or T3 less than 15. and then in the next line give an indent and display the message that you are failed. In the else part, display the message that you are passed like this. See, the criteria is if the student score less than 15 marks in any subject, he is failed. Hence, we have used the OR operator. Let's run the code. Enter the mark as 18, 19 and 20. Well, the student is passed. OR operator will give the true result if any of the condition is true. OR statement will become false when all the conditions are false. Well, we will see many examples of logical operator in the coming sessions. But among logical operators, NOT operator is pending. We will study that in the next session. Thanks for watching.